Alright, GM. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to carry out Pell Testnet, right? So reward is scheduled to be in December, sorry. So this is how to go about it. First of all, you have to add core testnet network to your MetaMask, BNB chain testnet to your MetaMask, Mantle testnet to your MetaMask. So I've actually carried out the testnet on these two chains. So I want to do the next one on Mantle. You need to do and carry out this testnet on on these different chains. The more transaction you carry on different chains, the more you airdrop, right? So now I'm on Mantle testnet and I have claimed Mantle BTC test token from this faucet, right? So now the next thing you need to do is to go to restake. You click on restake, you scroll down a little bit and look for Mantle testnet BTC. So you click restake now. Now you move over here, you can see deposit here your balance, right? You click max and then you approve transaction. You wait for confirmation. So my wallet extension is popping up right now and I have to approve transaction on it. So MetaMask is quite bumpy and this thing always takes time. So let's hold on and wait for it. Okay, next, approve, right? So I've approved it on my MetaMask, right? So waiting for confirmation. Then the next is take. So you click it again. I'm still going to have to wait for my MetaMask to bring up its extension and then I approve. So let's wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. So confirm, I have to confirm this right now. I'm actually confirming it on my MetaMask in case you're not seeing my MetaMask extension. So waiting for confirmation here and you can see all done, transaction success. So the next thing is go to an operator and delete it. So over here you can just select any of them, right? You can decide to select any of them. Let me just use for uni or let me use take safe. I think I've used take safe before, right? I think I've used take safe. Let's use zero. Let's use zero. So yeah, you click this, you're restaked and you delegate. You wait for confirmation in your wallet. That's what I'm actually waiting for right now. Waiting for MetaMask to bring this up so I can confirm. It's brought it up already. Yeah, confirm. So let's wait for this transaction to complete. So waiting for confirmation. Let's wait. So you can see all done. That's it. So I'm done with this part of the testnet, right? So that's it. You could just do the same thing on different chains, right? You can come over here. There is a full guide on how to do this. So first you have to claim faucet on Discord. So you have to join their Discord, right? You come over here, you join Discord, you claim gas for this for core chain, BNB chain and Mantle chain, right? You claim faucet first in their Discord, then you come over here, right? This is a video guide on how to claim faucet. Then you restake. I've already showed you this in the video. You follow them on Twitter, X, and then join Discord, join Telegram, and then sign up for the on the Satoshi app, right? And you get whitelisted. The MetaMask address you use to complete this quest, just paste it there, and that's all. So thank you for watching.